In this video, I am deep cleaning this refrigerator. I just had a tenant move out and things were left in a non-ideal state. So I'm gonna be deep cleaning this right now. It's pretty funky and I need to get this ready for my next tenant. So here's how I do it. First step, I have some high-powered multi-surface cleaner. I'm just gonna start saturating things. This stuff looks pretty caked on, especially down in here. So I want it to get saturated so that when I scrub it, it'll come off quickly. I have to do this kind of stuff a lot, so this process is really fast. I've learned a couple of tricks, so this is what I do. So I just use this scrub pad to break everything loose. Especially the stuff on the back on the walls. So I'll probably just set that right here for a second so I can reach back here easier. It's always like caked on, strange substances. Who knows? Just gotta scratch it off. For the hard to get stuff, I use this. It eventually gives, yep. One more big, good spray here. Get things nice and wiped and broken loose. And now that all the chunks are broken up, I can go ahead and just wipe them up with my paper towel. Get these walls nice and clean. Always focus on making sure I get every hair out of here because hairs really gross people out. Okay, just wiping this up, getting these chunks out. I'm gonna start wiping these doors down. Okay, so I took the shelving out and I got the buckets or the trays out, and then the next thing is what's probably the grossest thing when you look is this glass tray. So usually this glass just kind of comes out, but you know, it's looking like it's pretty stuck from the syrup and food, so I'm just gonna pry it out. Okay, got it. So again, it's always about saturating the nasty areas with cleaner. It's not going to get clean unless you just fully saturate. Okay, this tray is now doing better, so I'm going to go ahead and set this off to the side. I need to get this glass looking good now. I'm gonna use 2 hands for it, but I'm basically just gonna be scrubbing with this pad. Okay, glass is looking fantastic compared to what it was. I'm gonna go ahead and situate it back in the tray. Next step, I'm gonna get these bits out. There. I got a couple of trouble spots I'm going to be working on. That's what I use this for. The reason why I don't use this the whole time is because it's more aggressive and there's a higher chance of it scratching and damaging the appliance. So I try to only use it at the very end whenever there's things that can't come up very easily. back in. Now I got, oops. Now I got these 2 buckets to put in. I'm gonna get these clean real quick. Just spray it and wipe it. Okay, and that's how I deep clean a refrigerator. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.